Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy Stroker 450 horsepower turnkey package. This is our black edition turnkey 383 Stroker. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there. We have the roller lifter camshaft in there. Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, made in USA. We have the Taylor ignition wires, made in America, with all the wire markers on there. Proper oil pan for the customer's 1967 C10 truck. We have these real nice 383 Stroker valve covers in black, with the black intake manifold. We have the thermostat in there, thermostat housing with the extra coolant ports customer needs. PCV ventilation line on there. Holley Sniper fuel injection systems on there. Throttle return spring end bracket, throttle cable ball. All the AN fittings, heavy duty Russell fuel line, all set in place. We have the Black Ridge air cleaner with the washable element. The Holley Sniper EFI will be fully tested. Everything all set, all the settings all done for you. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand with all the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Timing will be all set. This engine will be fully drop-in ready to go, all set. The MSD ignition coils on there. We have this small cap distributor on there for the 67 C10 for the firewall clearance. That's real important. Manifold vacuum fittings are all installed for the customer. Simple hookups. Proper flex plate, tooth count and balance for the customer's transmission. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. We have this real nice serpentine, black serpentine pulley kit on there. Customer wanted the external voltage regulator set up for his original 67 C10. So we upgraded him to the 100 amp alternator with the exact plug on there for the 67 C10, make it easy to hook up. Even going to supply the external voltage regulator. That'll be all set for him. Again, we have the gas filters all set up, all loop clamped, heavy duty fuel lines, high flow, aluminum water pump on there, GM Saginaw power steering pump. All the belts are all set. Again, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belts, tension set, all lined, ready to go. So there you have it, our 383 Stroker, 450 horse, black edition here. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.